Hi, I'm April Golightly, and I'm so excited to share with you today an awesome new unboxing. I've been wanting this bag for a while, and I finally got it in the mail, so let's open it up. Don't forget to stay to the end. I'm going to be styling in a few different ways. This is the monogram Studio Bag. I just recently got it on sale for $259. It's regular, I think either $398 because that's what the tag says, but on the website it says $298. So maybe they lowered the price. This monogram print is actually inspired by Pennsylvania Dutch quilting. I discovered it a few months ago in store at the Tory Burch store at my mall. I just fell in love with these bags. I especially loved the navy. This monogram tote bag is still on my wish list for a work bag. I definitely want to get like a navy blazer, and I think this would look really awesome with like a really nice navy suit. The studio bag that I grabbed in the monogram print is available in navy, hazel, and red. I chose the studio bag because I've been looking for these kind of like shoulder bags, the 90s style, kind of where you can tuck it under your arm and it kind of flows into your outfit. I really fell in love with this bag, and the print obviously is really cool. Here I'm wearing it with a pair of pants from Amazon in this like sage color and a white tank top. Everything that I'm wearing in this video is linked in the description box below. Before I get into other ways to style it, I wanted to show you other options in this studio Studio Bag. This one's really cute with these flowers on it. This one's a little bit more expensive. I think it's like almost $600. You can kind of get this look on your own by adding like a cute key fob. Here are a few that I found that would look adorable with this bag. This one's actually kind of like a patent leather and it's embossed. This one's $478, but I really love this cream color. I think it's really versatile. Here's one of the prints that are actually on sale in this bag. It's called Brocade Studio Bag in Winter Sage. I really love these colors. I think they kind of look spring and they could work for fall as well. If we haven't met yet, I'm April Golightly and I absolutely love doing Tory Burch videos like this. Also, I do some videos on body shape and body positivity. I'm like between an hourglass and a pear shape. Also, I'm very curvy and petite. And I like helping with like large bust hacks. So if you guys like those types of videos, please subscribe and like this video. Here's another outfit where I'm wearing the bag. I'm wearing it here as a crossbody. The regular crossbody strap just does not work for me because it kind of is too short. And so instead of using it as a regular crossbody, I kind of added the strap to the short strap. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. This bag is extremely versatile because you can pretty much wear it with anything. Also, if the strap doesn't work for you, like it doesn't work for me here, you can definitely find a different strap and add it on. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been super fun and I absolutely love sharing my new bags with you and sharing my videos with you. Check out these other Tory Burch videos here.